And then we'll try Alex Fair, Najendra Hanavali, and Hank Myers.
Hello?
Hello, if you could state your name, you have 4 minutes to address the council.
Sure. My name is Satish. I would like to talk in regards to the APPWW, the resolution you are getting in. In regards to that, I would like to start with a quote saying, darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. So, quoting that, I would like to, question like who bought this particular resolution against a organization working for persecution of minorities, and they're trying to uplift and they being a voice. Okay. The important thing is this particular organization just started 6 months back. And I know that people who have started this organization for a decade, and it is very appalling that you all bring such a kind of an falsification, kind of an wrong narrative, kind of a directive. I don't know where it is coming from. These people are just they want to serve. Who are wants harm. They're trying to serve the community, and I have seen that a lot of people have benefited, and there is no biasness in regards to religion, race, or anything as part of that particular serving. When I see them as part of everybody has to do. Another thing is, other than that, these people they do their regular job. They take care of the family, and they are serving the community. And you instead of encouraging and working with them collaboratively to work out what are the root causes. So within 6 months, somebody coming with the prejudice against totally wrong narration, and we don't know what were the basis for it. Was there a criminal case against, or was there a civil case? And that too in this pandemic COVID crisis, these people did the best in serving the community, irrespective of race, region, and caste and everything. Somebody bringing some kind of a wrong narration which is there in India, which I also don't know. To be frank with you, I'm from a backward class. You all, it is very, insulting for me when they are bringing those kind of filthy politics here and trying to suppress a kind of an organization which just started and it is blooming, and really their motive is to help. There are a lot of people, even they don't touch, meat or anything. So how can you think that these people can harm any other individual? Their only, thought process is to, be positive, serve the community and being non-violent. And I think whoever has bought this APPW resolution, they have to think hardly. Did they make an effort to talk to these people? Did they work collaboratively with them? Did they had a chance to, at least exchange some kind of, and what you had a concern and everything? No, I don't think so. Within 6 months, coming to prejudice and coming with this kind of resolution is very demeaning. It is nothing but falsification and crucifixion. On it actually demotivates a lot of minorities who want to work. Just like Black Lives Matters, persecuted people's life matter also. So this is freedom of speech. Why are you suppressing this? What are you gaining it? So if you are continuing this trend, I think tomorrow, if somebody comes with against the same people who bought this particular resolution, then you have to go with this one. End of the day, I will tell that this is nothing but waste of valuable time and tax money from the people, and it is not. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, we'll go back to Alex Fair.